Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I want to talk about a new project called Cake Invest. And as always guys, what are we looking for to see if we find red flags? Yeah. First of all, has the project been audited? Is like the crew behind this project, have they been KYC'd? And do they show their faces? And if a project offers you a high reward, what do they do to make this so much sustainable? Okay, so let me show you guys. Do we see anything about KYC? No. Do we see anything about that the contract has been audited? Of course, I have already checked this, guys. No, of course not. And this is actually, I've made a video about PyStake, and this project is gone. It was like about 1 or 2 weeks ago. You can still find it on my channel, but if you want to go there, it's gone. And people lost their money. It was actually more or less exactly the same, just the name was different and the colors were different, I would say. Okay, they have not been audited. They didn't make any KYC. They didn't show their faces, and there was nothing that would somehow make this project sustainable. So let me show you what are they promising here. After 24 hours, you will get 110%. After with this one here, after 24 hours, 120, 135, 150. So, to keep it simple, guys, would I invest in this project? Of course not. I would bet that in a couple of days or in 1 week or 2 weeks, it's gonna be gone. Because if you invest now, if they're gonna pay you any reward, they need new users coming in. That's why they even pay you 10%. They pay you 10% affiliate commission if you bring new people in, because once new people stop coming in, you will not get your initial back. You will not get any rewards. It's gonna break down. So if you think about investing in this, as always guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here to show those kinds of projects, but I would not invest in this project and show this to your friends who should see this, because most likely this will be gone maybe in a couple of hours, in a couple of days, or in 1 week or so. It's gonna be gone because it's not sustainable. No, there's so many red flags, guys. So to keep it short and simple, I cannot recommend this. So guys, yeah, whoever needs to see this video, you can share it with them. And as always guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.